foldable electric bikes have rapidly taken center stage for daily riders, outdoor enthusiasts, and urban dwellers seeking budget-friendly versatility. Choosing a foldable e-bike that delivers reliable performance for every dollar spent is essential. Here is a close look at 3 top-tier foldable electric bikes that provide maximum value for your investment.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Gotrax R1 Foldable e-bike. The Gotrax stands out as an outstanding entry-level option designed for smooth city commutes and relaxed recreational rides. Powered by a robust motor paired with multiple pedal assist levels, this bike seamlessly blends speed and intuitive control to handle daily urban routes with ease. Its lightweight frame folds down into a remarkably compact footprint, making it effortless to stash in a car trunk, carry onto public transit, or store neatly in tight indoor spaces. Designed for both convenience and performance, this e-bike features a large smart display that provides easy access to essential riding information, including speed, battery status, and ride metrics. Its 48-volt 7.8 ampere-hour battery can be fully recharged in approximately 5.5 hours using either of 2 charging methods, offering flexibility for everyday use. On a full charge, the bike can travel up to 15.5 miles in pure electric mode, or up to 25 miles with pedal assist, making it a practical choice for daily commuting, errands, and recreational rides. On number 2, we have DTTZH 12 Foldable e-bike. Taking versatility and raw performance up a notch, this e-bike is built for riders who demand serious muscle alongside compact convenience. Featuring a high-torque motor and a heavy-duty battery setup, this model charges up steep city inclines and long stretches without breaking a sweat. This foldable e-bike is built to handle city commuting with ease, powered by a 750-watt motor that delivers up to 1,000 watts of peak power for quick acceleration and smooth performance through urban traffic. Its removable 48-volt 15 ampere-hour battery provides up to 22 miles of range in pure electric mode, or as much as 60 miles when using pedal assist, making it a reliable option for both daily commutes and longer rides. With its impressive overall battery range and rugged construction, this e-bike represents a feature-rich solution that maximizes power, comfort, and dollar-for-dollar value for demanding cyclists. On number 3, we have Ancheer 500-watt foldable e-bike. The Ancheer e-bike rounds out the list by offering a well-balanced blend of all-terrain capability and compact engineering. Built around a sturdy alloy frame and driven by a capable brushless motor, this foldable bike transitions effortlessly from smooth asphalt to unpaved gravel paths. Take on city streets, gravel paths, and rugged trails with confidence thanks to the powerful 500-watt motor and durable 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, this e-bike delivers responsive acceleration and a smooth, stable ride across a wide range of terrain. Built for reliability, it features double-wall aluminum alloy rims, a professional 7-speed drivetrain, and dependable front and rear mechanical disc brakes for confident control. The Ancheer successfully bridges the gap between daily practical transport and weekend adventure, securing its spot as a premier choice for budget-conscious riders. So, these are some of the best foldable e-bikes to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.